Over the past few weeks, I've been noticing something interesting. These World Cup fan transformation videos are everywhere. On TikTok, millions of people are watching them. But what's even more interesting is that this trend isn't just taking over TikTok, it's also exploding on YouTube Shorts. Simple face paint, one football fan, a few seconds of transformation. Yet some of these videos are getting hundreds of thousands, even millions of views. So that got me thinking, what if I could recreate this entire style without filming anything? Without spending hours creating every shot, and without jumping between multiple AI tools. Today, I'm going to test whether AI can recreate one of the internet's most viral World Cup video formats. I'll analyze a real viral concept, then use Topview Canvas, powered by Seedance 2.0, to organize the idea, generate the asset, create the clip, and bring the entire workflow together, all inside one creative workspace. If it worked, this could completely change how creators make viral short-form content. Let's find out. Before creating anything, I wanted to understand why these videos get so many views. After watching dozens of viral YouTube shorts and TikTok videos, I noticed they all follow a very similar formula: a football fan, a country theme, a face paint transformation, and an exciting celebration with energetic music at the end. Instead of copying someone else's content, I'm going to use this viral format as inspiration and create my own version completely with AI. For this experiment, I'm using Topview Canvas. Let's start by creating our football fan. You'll find my Topview link in the description and the pinned comment. Go to topview.ai and create your account. Once you log in, you'll see the dashboard with several creative tools, including Canvas, Drama Studio, video generation, audio generation, image generation, and more. For this project, we'll use Topview Canvas, so click Canvas to open a new workspace. You'll notice several templates, including 3D shot, URL to video, brand design, World Cup player cards, product videos, and more. These are great if you want a quick starting point. But for this tutorial, I want to build everything from scratch, so click Create New Project. Inside Topview Canvas, you can brainstorm ideas, clone reference videos, design product ads, organize projects, and build complete AI video workflows, all without switching between different creative tools. One feature that's worth mentioning is the product card workflow. If you're creating marketing videos, simply enter a product URL, and Topview automatically creates a product card containing product images, descriptions, and key information. This gives Topview the context it needs before generating content, making it much easier to create multiple videos for the same product later. Since we're creating a World Cup fan video, we'll use the Clone a Video workflow instead. Click Clone a Video, and Topview Canvas will guide you through the process. Now download a viral World Cup face paint transformation video from TikTok or YouTube Shorts to use as your reference. Return to Topview Canvas, click the plus icon, and upload the reference video. Next, paste the workflow prompt. I've already prepared one for this tutorial, and you'll find the exact same prompt in the description and pinned comment if you'd like to follow along. Press enter, and Topview Canvas begins analyzing the reference video. It automatically breaks the video into 6 to 8 key moments and extracts the important keyframes. Give it about a minute to finish. When it's done, you'll see each keyframe displayed on the canvas. Take a quick look to make sure everything was captured correctly. If everything looks good, simply type, "These look good. Please proceed with building the scene structure for the country versions." Then press enter. Topview Canvas now builds a complete video replication plan. It analyzes the face paint colors, transformation sequence, camera angles, and overall structure, then organizes everything into a clear production plan. After about a minute, Canvas asks for confirmation. If you're happy with the result, simply type, "Okay, now create the Brazil and Argentina versions." Then press enter. Topview Canvas generates the country variations. For this project, I'm creating Brazil and Argentina. It creates the Brazil version first. Once I'm happy with the result, I simply ask Canvas to continue. A few moments later, both the Brazil and Argentina fan images are ready to use. At this point, we've finished generating our character assets, and we're ready to turn them into videos. Now it's time to bring these images to life. Click on one of your generated fan images, and you'll see several options, including Add to Chat, Generate Video, and more. Select Generate Video. A new panel opens automatically with your fan image already attached. Now, we need to tell Topview Canvas how we want this image to move. I've already prepared a simple instruction for this workflow, and you'll find the same prompt in the description and pinned comment if you'd like to follow along. Paste the prompt into Topview Canvas and press Enter. Instead of relying on another AI tool, Topview Canvas analyzes the request and creates a detailed motion plan while keeping the character's identity and appearance consistent. Now configure the generation settings. Set the reference type to Omni-Reference. Choose Seedance 2.0 as the video model. Set the resolution to Full HD. For this opening scene, I'll use a duration of 8 seconds. Keep the aspect ratio at 9:16. Once everything is set, click Generate. Topview Canvas begins creating the video. After about a minute, the first clip is ready. Let's preview it. As you can see, the fan naturally paints her face with the Argentina flag, while maintaining the same appearance throughout the animation. The movement looks smooth, the character stays consistent, and the final result closely matches the style of the original viral video. Now, let's create the celebration scene. For this part, I want my AI football fan to recreate a famous football celebration. Instead of using another AI tool to create the motion prompt, I'm going to let Topview Canvas handle everything. First, I'll upload 2 reference images. The first is my AI-generated fan, which will be the identity reference. The second is a football player's celebration image, which will be the motion reference. Now I'll ask Topview Canvas to preserve my fan's identity while transferring only the celebration movement from the player. Canvas analyzes both reference images together. It understands which image defines the character and which image defines the movement. Then it automatically creates a detailed motion plan that keeps the fan's face, hairstyle, clothing, face paint, and environment consistent while recreating the player's celebration timing, body movement, pose transitions, and energy. Once the motion plan looks good, click Generate Video. Your fan image is already attached. Now drag and drop the football player's celebration image into the reference section. For this clip, I'll set the duration to around 5 seconds and keep the rest of the settings the same. Then click Generate. Topview Canvas starts creating the animation. Within about a minute, the celebration clip is finished. Let's watch the result. As you can see, the AI fan performs the same celebration while keeping her own identity completely consistent. Only the celebration movement, timing, and energy are transferred from the player, making the animation feel natural and believable. You can repeat this same workflow with different football players to create multiple celebration clips while keeping the same character consistent across your entire project. Now that all of our video clips are ready, it's time to create a soundtrack that matches the energy of the original trend. Instead of using another AI tool to analyze the music, I'll use Topview's built-in AI music generator. From the Topview dashboard, click Audio, then select AI Music. To help Topview understand the style I'm looking for, I'll upload the original audio from the viral video as a reference. Next, I'll describe the music by filling in a few simple fields, including the mood, tempo, instruments, lyrics, and overall style. If you're not sure what to write for these settings, you can usually find most of that information in the video's description, or simply describe the type of music you're aiming for in your own words. Once everything is filled in, click Generate. Topview uses the reference to understand the overall style, then generates a brand new soundtrack with a similar mood and energy, all without leaving the platform. After a short wait, the music is ready. Now we have both our AI-generated video clips and a matching soundtrack created inside Topview. Now it's time to bring everything together. If you'd like to add a final polish, you can use an editor like CapCut. I'll use it here to arrange the clips on the timeline, add the soundtrack we created in Topview, trim everything to match the timing, and make a few final adjustments before exporting. The important part is that the entire creative workflow, from finding the idea, analyzing the reference, generating the character, creating the video clips, and producing the soundtrack, was completed inside Topview Canvas. CapCut is simply used for the final polish before publishing, so that's the complete process. From finding a viral idea, to analyzing what makes it work, to rebuilding the entire concept with AI, using Topview Canvas to organize the idea, generate the assets, create the clips, and bring the workflow together. What I like most about this workflow is that it doesn't just generate random videos. Topview Canvas helps you turn an idea into a complete creative workflow. For this World Cup project, I was able to create multiple country variations while keeping the same character consistent across every scene. And this workflow isn't limited to football content. You can use the same process for storytelling, product videos, marketing content, social media, and many other short-form video ideas. If you'd like to try Topview Canvas for yourself, I've added my link in the description. Topview is currently offering 10 free credits when you sign up, so you can start experimenting with your own AI video projects right away. If you found this workflow helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.